In this video, I will show you how to download Zscaler for Windows. So the first thing you need to do is search for Zscaler download, and then after that, just click on this client connector, and then make sure that you will need to authenticate it with Zscaler business account, and then after that, just click on download client connector, and then here you will see the steps on how to download the Zscaler. So make sure that the account has access provided by your IT administrator to download the client connector Zscaler. So for this example, I don't have the business account, so I will show you the steps. So here you will read that you cannot manually download it and install like that. So you need to read this, and then after that, scroll the way down, and then you will see the steps here. So the step 1 or the first one is to navigate to the Zscaler Client Connector portal by going to one of the following Zscaler admin portals. So for this, you will go to Policy Zscaler Client Connector portal, and you will see the image here for step-by-step guide. So click on Policy, and then you will see the mobile, and then click on the Zscaler Connector portal, and then scroll the way down, and then you can provide access to ZPA. Then you will see the image here. So you will see the dashboard of your Zscaler private access, and then just click on client connector here, and then after that you will see the second step, the third step, in the first step here. So you need to follow this. So just follow this. So read this that in the left side, and then click on this see image to see the step-by-step guide here. So you will see the downloads here, and then after that, here on the last step, you will see the image for step-by-step guide. So for Mac OS, you can download the app here. So you can read the description here. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.